10 healthy diet foods. Are you looking for delicious and nutritious foods that can help you maintain a healthy diet? Look no further. In this video, we will introduce you to 10 fantastic foods that are not only delicious but also promote good health. From leafy greens to lean proteins, we've got you covered. So, join us as we explore these incredible diet foods and learn how they can benefit your overall well-being. Healthy diet. Nutritious foods. Leafy greens. Lean proteins. Overall well-being. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will share with you 10 healthy diet foods that are packed with nutrition and also incredibly tasty. These foods will not only satisfy your cravings but also benefit your overall well-being. So, let's dive in and discover these fantastic diet foods. Number 10. Spinach. Our first healthy diet food is spinach. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, spinach is a nutritional powerhouse. It's low in calories and high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for weight management. You can enjoy spinach in salads, sautés, or even smoothies. Number 9. Quinoa. Next up on our list is quinoa. This ancient grain is gluten-free, rich in protein, and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's a fantastic alternative to rice or pasta and can be used in a variety of dishes, such as salads, stir-fries, or even as a substitute for oats in breakfast recipes. Number 8. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only creamy and delicious but also a great source of protein. It's lower in sugar and higher in protein compared to traditional yogurt. Greek yogurt can be enjoyed on its own, in smoothies, or as a healthier alternative to sour cream in various recipes. Number 7. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. It's also rich in high-quality protein. Grilled, baked, or pan-seared, salmon is a versatile fish that can be incorporated into many meals for a boost of nutrition. Number 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Adding blueberries to your diet can support brain health and promote healthy aging. Enjoy them in smoothies, oatmeal, or simply as a snack. Number 5. Almonds. Almonds are a fantastic source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They make for a satisfying snack and can help control hunger levels. Whether you have them raw, roasted, or as almond butter, these nuts provide numerous health benefits. Number 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that contains a wide array of nutrients. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals while being low in calories. You can enjoy broccoli as a side dish, in stir-fries, or added to soups for an extra nutritional kick. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only deliciously sweet but also loaded with nutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants. Whether baked, roasted, or mashed, sweet potatoes make a wholesome and satisfying addition to any meal. Number 2. Avocado. Avocado is a creamy and nutrient-dense fruit that's rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. It's also an excellent source of fiber and various vitamins. Enjoy avocado mashed on toast, in salads, or as the star ingredient in guacamole. Number 1. Chicken breast. And finally, our number 1 healthy diet food is chicken breast. It's a lean source of protein that's low in fat and packed with essential nutrients. Chicken breast can be grilled, baked, or added to stir-fries, salads, and wraps for a delicious and satisfying meal. And there you have it. 10 incredible diet foods that not only taste great but also provide immense health benefits. Including these foods in your daily meals can help you maintain a healthy diet and support your overall well-being. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay healthy and happy.